Observe for your mama, Tiamo, my brasso, so Mamuni, Amado, someone, Yaki Casey, and Yano pay your banner, your day, Ebabe, some more, and some of the doors of pa, some part television, soon your Wooty and car, or Bronia of Mantem no more, some 98.9 FM Kutemo, so Bruno Eastia, and some 90.7 FM was Suguso Wooty, and our Santamantam and Potamina, Sompa 93.1 FM, so Ekutemo one pay, and some of the doors, Naposo, and ye, Operation Recover all Lutua, Mampere John Dramani Mama, a power yeno, since you may be on Majuma, or more Ediomocrat, in Aquacoma, Mampere John Dramani Mama, or more actually him, so 1 year or more a year may, a deal may see Kafmo May Japadiano, and Penifobeshasie, a Tiunum, and now Kumasi MPCA, a war as Antimantama say, catch him Mampere John Dramani Mama, says on Peretum Perenoa, and an Yaura Johnson and Siama, also on Korea Bank of Ghana, Juma Suono, when you infa in free honum, and a hospitals here, just a private hospital, so what Ghana, Esraman Penny John Dramani Mama, say, baby, Mujano, and your cry, so I'm not no, I'm a boy, no more, health insurance, a car. A down muntina more hospitals no gua and a egua or more Esraman Penny John Dramani Mama and some webs for way and the afro pinoir and the Ake say the end Casia baby will be an pay yeba near the Ababa some war 21st clinic a diamond tiano pay the Bia will be ano and some shamni the day de summum the tennis Osiatic and Trinoa etchu to two noir just say I may do baby acquire do to need your bonnet I'm out for now what they quite she wouldn't nebusia a dear the dinner desiatica o call 21st clinic here you will row fidie or doctors and nurses here one more abenia Eddie drew account and say ya dear Johnny free the peduan me before young cosrosro ya dear no pam ya dear free the peduanum ama what de woman and I ask ya cinema and a baby will be an yet me a bunny about some war be dear Eddie and I are born Malibia Boga and your brenna fin some young Comancasa and far and mammo observe for some cash and so on ya to about a man Penny John Dramani Mama for fraud noir and or camping for be bomo say o may japadia nipa binomonamon trekese and a fracadam kwabisu we are atentama from one some pedim fui and corre na obi bia so a winning bibisa no fakodam pedim fui na or more emphysium and kikan kratensi ni na abai and famra kwan so and koje sani mani na and free sancrophone and some ya openi samolo kuje to blackwa and na edi animum COP ne tankofi boache no munyina eka ka bi lawyer Martin Pebu ni pabenum and man Penny John Dramani Mama eka omubom so muntu sana mo no eno no madwuma wo mo ede ba wie ya enkrata ni bibia wo so mo boa no bia no wo mo boa ni nyina no awie a wo no mo ede akwa man Penny John Dramani Mama owura Samuel Okuje to ablakwa emrase geni wo emrase gefie ma desia all no to abaton pesia so emra no mo boa mo nkrata no a wo mo ede man Penny John Dramani Mama no ensemo to dwa eni.
We received 1,493 calls through the toll-free line, 1,493. We also received 924 emails. Fortunately, all of these calls are recorded automatically and all the emails have also been preserved for verification and validation. So in total, the number of complaints received amounts to 2,417. So those who had any doubt about how relevant and how timely the President's intervention was at the time, this is your evidence. 2,417 complaints received. Where will all of these people have gone if President Mahama had not set up the oral preparatory team? So President Mahama has been vindicated. It was a master stroke. It was the right decision for our country, and it has deepened transparency and accountable governance. Over the last 53 days,
Samuel Okuje to Ablakwa Waye Mrasbe Jenny or woman Rasbe Fima this year. I want to talk about on Persiaso as I saw a swap for show May Yadiama Hodon Kita with the ones and some so and not yet in Kenning na a operation recover all lutua not your friend say oral or Majuma Moye yeno and not Omoden Krata 70 Bibia Aquacoma Mamperi John Dramani Mama no not Mamperi so no and then some kakra to ja X-ray kachre ura Dominic Akrotinga Awunia waye abalo ya penny se nene chire ya de also ke karikata esiani edemra to ho etu wana moko to bia no ene chire ya woni se adwuma no se beye na omeye japade omeye sika omeye niema amanfo bia wiawi afom wo no ebetima giri nyina ere asom oman no.
Invested in education, healthcare, infrastructure, and social development. But they also offer hope that through our collective efforts, we can reclaim what is ours and deter future acts of economic sabotage. As we receive this report, let me assure the Ghanaian people that the work does not end here. The recommendations of the report will be carefully studied, and where legal action and investigations are warranted, they will be pursued without fear or favor. Every peso recovered will be channeled back into national development, and mechanisms will be strengthened to prevent such losses in the future. I have promptly handed over the report to the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, and I give him firm instructions to commence immediate investigations into the cases reported in here with a view to prosecuting anyone found liable for corruption or related offenses. Those who think they can defraud the state and escape justice, let this serve as a strong warning.
Operation Recover All Loot for no de enkrata ne bibia emano na osha lawyer penny said also ye bia wonye ne nene kina na omo mafumfum mo ye japade awie omo sika atamo ma enia makwa kogu ba bie no yetiwu no makwa kogire nyina yemfamo emfri sansam no so na yemfamo emre kumasi abonten so na enra kumasi MPs be enum ni nsia ekoso amemazi abonte so ma mobeka hye nso a na wotwetwe mu na beto odwase eja atoso amemazi zone 21 ne zone 20 mpotam wono mo ma chese fitafo no omo enema ahye de na akwakọ yare ho omo de omo ka ba beja wo mu a na omo siesi a eja no ehye no omo soso a omo shops no omo mpata ho no mu eja kakra no omo yo de enya chop money di hwe fie soso no omo enema nyina eko enam so ema honorable Francis Asenso Buachi Bantima Mranse Bedwani sese omo aka MPs a ewo Kumasi nyina Bantima eka ho kwada so eka ho Swame eka ho Ofori Krom eka ho Tafo Pankrodo Abaton Pesua so eka ho Menhia South eka ho Menhia North eka ho tese okeka bomu a omo ekeka ko bedu ewo Kumasi Greater Kumasi asem ena yeke omo ka omo avom sese ne de omo ko ne se bia ankonam se ba ko na enya na asem enti wonko ka se bibi ne beba omo nyina eka bom no omo asoso masirimo no omo boa se be na Kumasi befa no ntuma papa de efrenti enra honorable Francis Asenso Buachi edini nuanom MPs ni nyina nim amamo koso amemezi ekochiche adwerifo no ere na nsam a wode etu dwane
enemu hu yo ha enye bone eye MPs a masabijafo a ewo Kumasi kro kase mu ena yaka ho abom se pese yaka ho bom na ye boa ma Kumasi mpuntu ekoneni na Kumasi anko ano ye Kumasi metropolis kaka no your MPs nko 10 by say nyine ke hu bom na ye pekwa faso e faso ma Kumasi impuntu nsoso no akoneni penifo bu bebi say priori wi ba ko ebu o kan boma embu akon boma ni say embu nko a utimi ye nyoma bebre enu ti na yake ho abom ka ye de ko ba nyina mo na mo repair car no so muni ho a drivers ni ho muni ho adwumadi adwadifo ni ho muni ho a ye MP public officials civil servants obi ni ho enti no masem asema da ya koma so enti ye ti bibi sa no na se ye ba ne be hwe de man no e bai na ye wa mo na montuo bi nsusu a
na enra wo mana montuo a wo mutu ye also amemezi abonten so na honorable Francis Asenso Buachi edi enimu a na ode omo ensem etudwa also amemezi no na enu ache chairman a oda eye garages eye so amemezi mu ofitafo ni ade oda omo nyina ano esoso ejina ni nuanu manemu eda MPs no asepa
ababa bashiaye na omo baaye no so no ye de ye hawa hodo atu omanim na ya haw ni bi ana me de ba betu ye nyina ya nimu de ya se ya MPs ni se magazine ye ni akwan papa wa ha nti yesra omo se nyame ya ado mu koduru a omo moaye na omo meye ya akwan no emaye ye hia fire tender efiri se ye workshops no ye wooden structures nti ye hia fire tender said ye be ya eja eto hanoma
sikuo ni nyina so amazi afitafo ni nyina kuo kese no yesi oda wunuma no ene yete ne nken ye to aso na ye dem consent fufurum mobaka sere nso nche bia mampere jo dramani mama epa Dr. Johnson Esiama se onko epeni kwanchefo obeda o my Ghana isika krabi about Bank of Ghana no hwe ntutu yeso emfa ema wabra na Dr. Ernest Atokwame na Adesin na djuma ebe wieye odonfo ya doma match bosomi a ye bobo ehoni yakwako ram no nti Dr. Johnson Esiama mampere jo dramani mama pa no wahase kra wo ye na djuma kese meeting na wahase ye bia o Bank of Ghana honum na eno ena MPP mrasbeja for titiru ene omo free kumase se ofuri krum se menhia south se menhia north tafo suame bantma kwada so enhia so asokwaso bi chesesa kumase MPC nyina akabom ede kokobo koma mampere John Dramani mama se so mpereto empere no a Dr. Johnson Esiama no a waboni din se onko da Bank of Ghana no owura na ensem fata ensem ewo owura no ho kwan ye nam so ma UT Bank ene Uni Bank fa so guye no papa no na yeye enti so kache ne so onko da Bank of Ghana no a na wamoa emo maye enkanko entimi enwe pe otitiru eba ne sekasem anto wo kache no se so mpereto mpere no a ene ne kire ya wonko yi owura no emfa free honum menhia south mrasebe dwane eye lawyer nana eje bafo awua ede gina Kumasi MPs ni nyina nam ede nkra wei emane mampere John Dramani mama
ya adwuma nso a baby odi ni sika koto eye bank it's a bank ehun kwa hu yehie mu a ehia obia wo Kumasi mem ha na essence bank nsensem hia ye nti enne ye ka che president Mahama say Governor of the Bank of Ghana appointment now we making on withdraw the appointment of Owura Johnson, Dr. Johnson Esiama as Governor of the Bank of Ghana. Brad was banks and so no. And a bank say what Ghana echo ahuhiemu. Bank of Ghana report. Nyina kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ papa ne breso and a bank so no echo ahuhiemu. General ba ye no. Wa withdraw cases no. Wa withdraw cases no. Wa withdraw cases no. Adechi na papa no.
Wa ye NPP mrasebe dwane a owo mrasebe dwefie ma desia owo menhia south abatom pesia so enti Kumasi MPs ni nyina ofuri krom ka ho menhia north ka ho tafo pankrono abatom pesia so mrasebe dwane ka ho Suame MP ka ho Bantma MP Francis Asensubo ache ene di animu kwada so enhia so asokwa subin omu nyina ena lawyer na naje bafo wagina omanam a wode sansam ye tu dwamenhia south mrasebe dwane yento aso yedemo ekom mrasebe dwefie eyemanu sam de sisi o mrasebe dwefie memra mampere John Dramani mama epa na krachefo ene na maba wanomu a na opeso mo ebeboa no na bam na nhihie mu osusu no osam mrasebe dwafo no doso wunum na se fibia ni wo mo ho a wo mo adwomatum na kese wo mo akwakoye adwuma na mrasebe dwafo no eyo mo ho adwuma no a ene duru baabi mentimi ho ase ebam ene yetwade nyina CSC yekowi a ewekura de omukomi a papa bi hwe adom ne ade kyese ensam no ko ebebrebe na papa no a yemi a ne hwe a nenra wokomra se jafo nanim ema ora Roxanne Nelson dafia makpo ede tudwa se de esie bia no oje mfomso no tum wo mo na ye mpanimfo a na nka wo so mo hwe ema asomdwe ba na de esie bia no se tebrebu ye se ne hwe a yemi aye ne nyina oje mfomso no tum.
Tell this committee what really happened. We had an indication that they were having a caucus meeting, and so they slated 10 a.m. for start. We couldn't. They came to say that they were having a caucus meeting. So when they eventually came for us to start, it was quite past the 10 a.m. Maybe past 11.
Honorable Majority Chief Whip, you are a principal officer in this house.
Yes.
Are you proud of what happened on that day?
Well, not at all. And I take responsibility. So when my punishment came, I took it in good faith. Others disagree that essentially punishment were to be made.
And yet, no, and Kane or no, and the banner say, Yahimo Badoma no fama, and this Yamayukuni Dom Kesino Rashvig Fimoa, or no, any dianimu, or no, na, a year. Chese MP bako chese ubi she table asia umi anisha wasi ye mi anisha no ene ndra wo kom rasbige fie mam rasbige fo no etoto na no nenyo no nko ne koye ura samse na hi esoso eye MP ma dehia wo se hwibodi abaton pesia so enra wono so eco committee nanim na ne nsemo de to dwane.
That is exactly what happened. When they were leaving, I think there were about five of them, but they came back with about 9 people. I don't remember the exact number, but there were more than the number that left the meeting room.
However, can you confirm that the security that was provided on that day was adequate?
I think nobody thought of what was going to happen because they have started working peacefully. At a point they left, nobody knew that they were going to return in that chaotic situation. So I won't say that the security arrangement was.
Ena yete no enken afeya fa kase ne nko wie wapom dinimo na private hospitals na wo mo agi health insurance no esre mampani John Dramani mama se bebi omugina nye kra so wamfi wonum na wa ma ameboa wo mu a sa private hospitals nyina begu o mayimo ne nyina eye kakese a National Health Insurance Authority mpenimfo edi wonum entia openimpa wo ye vice president eda private health Providers Association Kuano Ura Samuel Boache Dankwa and then some perfect some party in Central Food in Koma or Church Munse Muse de Chile.
Yes, I'm buying a good legal form Epanito, Ankra Hospital for Yakasaka, be able to be a Sabia, higher private for the best I'm buying, say, Omusa or buying Chadia, Chayantana, NHI, is you are mine, any minister for health am I in. Bring my Jamie, more than my papa, and yes, I can do and try for. Yes, I can entire Senate, giving try salaries, giving enter lights and Kania and Yajuma. I Sabina, postpaid meters am I prepaid. I hired you or high council Emma Wawa, am I intimate on Kanya and Yajuma. I bind the idea, a year and quack, dear, I Sebi, Fish Nipa and Ghana for the idea of my Yoko, I don't on Kanyans, energize the council Emma every month. A woman say, Papa, a man penny, John Mahama, or buy into idea. Then so it's answered, the Jumana, a very essential, a department and quantity, a serum, a panel, say, won't any insurance. A woman say, a
private hospital, say, what garden you know. One more Eddie Health Insurance, a year Juma, and not yet woman Keura, Samuel Boache Donko, a year Vice President, Awada, Ekuno, Ano. Yejina Wiso, Nano paying some papa no, a day ebesum one yedemo, a siase, not ya sorry. I'm on my hands as what transibio the other Chebejumedi at Wamoso, and Opeacosia so money changing for the Mamie, and Zuka, and Ranti and Wakano, and so and a Tamechi, Bede Edin and Ayabo, Malibia Bogabs. Therefore, I must say, I'm a money teen.